Good afternoon. I wanted to take a minute to walk you through week 2 expectations. So as you can see, I have your weekly schedule pulled up. For this week, you will be completing 4 ed puzzles, so lesson 2A, 2B, 2C, and 3A. While you're watching those ed puzzles, please make sure you're filling out your notes. So these are those activity pages that you're either downloading off D2L or you bought from the bookstore. There is also a Unit 1 activity quiz, Lesson 2A. This will automatically upload into your gradebook. You can take this again as many times as you need to. There is also feedback in case you get a problem incorrect. If you need help with this, please don't hesitate to email me or come to student hours. And I also will have that 1-hour Zoom session every Monday for you guys. So a little reminder, you are filling out these notes, and at the end of each unit, I'm going to have a notebook check. That is where you'll upload your notes, and I'll give you a grade for completing those. You are also getting a weekly grade for completing your ed puzzles. Now over in this last column, you see preview and practice problems, and we have a due date here of 9/9. Now these are to help keep you on track. What we're doing with these preview and practice problems. You're going to complete, for instance, Preview 2A. This is not in your book. This is only found on D2L. You can either print this or complete it on lined paper. You'll then check your answers, and at the end of each unit, I'm going to ask you to upload your preview and practice assignments to your homework portfolio. Again, I'll collect these at the end of every unit. If you're going through the Content tab, down in Unit 1, for instance, Lesson 2A is where you can also find these preview and practice. And again, I want to bring to your attention, we do have the answer keys available for you. Why these are available are for you to go through, check your answers, and contact me if you need any help. There will always be a weekly announcement. Again, I'll put in what lessons you're completing, but do refer to this weekly timeline. This is going to, again, give you an idea of what all to complete and what is due. I put a little reminder down here that every Monday from 1 to 2, I will be available via Zoom to answer any questions. And again, the answer keys are available on D2L. So please reach out if you guys need any help with the material this week. Again, we are now in week 2, which is going from Friday 9/3 to Thursday 9/9. If you have any questions, please let me know.